Makeup doesn't have to be hard and it doesn't have to overwhelm you. I'm gonna show you how I got this look with 4 colors and 1 brush. I'm gonna start with a little bit of bronzer. Everywhere that I apply the bronzer, I'm not going to apply foundation at all. This is all gonna be in one single layer. Any foundation there either. Now you're gonna use your main foundation, the one that matches your skin tone, and just apply it everywhere that you didn't apply the bronzer. Get a little more and apply it around this area, just stippling it on the skin. So easy, so nice. Apply a little bit right here on this little area. This brush is so good to blend everything out. Now with my finger, I'm gonna use this concealer that has a little bit of yellow in it to color correct and brighten my eyes. And I'm gonna blend that by pressing the brush lightly on the skin. I'm gonna get this bronzer again and just add it a little bit on the sides of the nose to add dimension. I'm gonna get a little bit of this blush color and apply it. That simple. And it's so easy to get your hands on one of these palettes. I can help you match you to the perfect shades. That's it. 4 colors in all the right places. You add mascara, fill in your brows. If you need a set with powder, you can. These palettes are built custom to you, and I can help you get your hands on one.